Leo. There he is. A cat. Leo. He's sitting under your chair. Jackson, you can't be in charge of the world.
No.
He's a cat.
Mama,
What?
I got it.
You got it?
A cat.
Uh-huh.
The cat? You made the cat go?
Uh-huh.
Well, maybe you can be in charge of everything.
I got it.
You got it. And you went outside.
Oh.
But you're not wearing...
Ryder likes to rock.
Rock and roll Ryder. Ooh. Hey, Ryder. Look at Paul. Yes, we are.
Oh. Hi, guys. No.
No singing? Well, he was rocking. I can't make him stop. I'm not going to be like that. I'm not going to be ornery. Where are you going? And that's a frog. Kissing him? Oh. Like Kermit the Frog?
I'm going to get it for you.
What do you say? Thank you very much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where's your other car?
No.
Huh? You don't know? Go get it. Look, Ryder.